Hi, I'm Jamie Webster, head instructor of Webster's Academy of Martial Arts. Our first lesson is going to be how to tie the uniform, the belt, sparring pads. Okay, on the pants, if you get a starter gi, you're going to have elastic pants, and so it doesn't matter. But if you train long enough and you want a heavyweight uniform, it's going to have loops in the front for you to tie the traditional way. And some people hate these pants, but I was raised on these pants and I won't wear anything else. So you take your strings, you go through your loops here, and there'll definitely be a loop in the center. You feed those through like that, tie it, cinch it up, just like you're going to tie a big set of shoelaces. But then from here, you want to take that and tuck that under your strings, and that way you won't have strings just hanging down. Okay, now when it comes to the top, you're going to put your jacket on like a coat. The left goes on the top. Okay, so you put your left on the top. There'll be a set of strings here. You tie those just like shoes. Another set on this side. Tie it the same way. And now we move on to the belt. Now the belt, you're going to take one end of your belt and you're going to put it in the middle of your back. You're going to go around 2 times. And you're going to pull the one that you started with, you're going to pull it out, and you're going to even those up. Now from here we're going to do a 3-step. We're going to cross, tuck, tie. You're going to cross on top, you're going to tuck underneath, and then you're going to tie a square knot. Now a square knot is going to be right over left, and then left over right. So right over left, left over right. Should be like that. Now if you have a 2-tone belt, like in one of the smaller kids classes, like a white orange, white yellow, white green, the high color goes up. So high color always goes up, with the exception of the USA belt, in which the blue will go up, because the blue on the American flag, the Union, goes up. Okay, now if we go into our sparring pads, the hardest part of the pads is going to be the foot pads. There's no right or left, you just put the boot on. But what you're going to do is you're going to make a figure 8 over the top of your boot, under your boot, back over the top of your boot, and it will Velcro in the back like that. Okay, shin pad. And always when you get through with your pads, you should put these back together like this, because that will keep any kind of lint or trash from getting in there, and then they won't stay tight together. So you're going to put your shin pads always go underneath your pant leg, so you're going to put your shin pads here, and then move your pant leg down like that. Okay, your glove. Going to put your fingers like so. Your strap. That makes a nice fist there. Typically you put on the foot pad first, because it's going to be harder to tie if you have your hand pads on first. So you typically go from the bottom up, so foot pad, shin pad, glove, and of course your helmet. Go like so, and that's it.